Al Gore, climate ethics messiah or Judas? Al Gore is most well known for his vice presidency and the documentary An Inconvenient Truth, which broke box office records and won an Oscar. He also tours the world speaking on climate change and raising awareness, along with publishing several books on the topic and being a co-winner of a Nobel Peace Prize. However, were you aware his average speech cost is $100,000 and that his 8-bathroom house in Tennessee consumes roughly 2,200,000 kilowatt hours of electricity a year? More than 20 times the national average, not to mention the private jet he tours the world in and its own emissions. Al Gore has many criticisms of being considered a carbon millionaire, but perhaps he makes up for it by spending a bit of his money to make his house go green, so he can use as much green energy as he desires, while the people in his audience can only keep one light on in their house at a time. Al Gore has a massive influence and a strong tie to the movement of climate ethics, and his celebrity status may tarnish a lot of the benefits he has done for the field. Al Gore, a man for a cause, or a man of opportunistic greed? You decide.